Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-DN-BCD in a NEMA 4X enclosure. It's a watertight enclosure. It has also a end of period buzzer that is adjustable, and also that it is a maintained on or maintained run and then open pause or open stop reset. And the reason for that is this is going to be used on a freezer where people are going in and out of the freezer, and if the door remains closed for a certain amount of time, the alarm will go off and continuously go off. I'm just going to demonstrate the action of the door closing and what will happen, and we'll go from there. So you set the time here with your BCD switches, minutes and seconds. When it gets down to 0, it's just going to continuously go off to alarm them that someone is left in the freezer. I'm going to release that. As you can see, it went back to 10 seconds. That's the amount of time that I have set on the rotaries. The enclosure, to gain access to that, just pop open these two levers, latches. Try not to. And then in here you can set your BCD switches. And I've just set that one to 9. You can turn them by hand or with a small screwdriver. Your contact closure for your wiring for your contact closure. And then simply put that back and snap that closed, and that seals it. Comes with also a 9-foot waterproof, oil resistant 120 cable. It plugs into 120 3-prong. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-40 T-DN-BCD in a NEMA 4X enclosure with an end of period adjustable high output beeper buzzer. Thank you.